Locals are calling it the Lake of Death as they scoop up an estimated 156 tons of dead freshwater popoche chub from the surface of Lake Cajititlan. It's a sardine-sized species about the length of a finger. It's native to the western state of Jalisco. Around 40 million of them popped to the surface last week, not to eat or to jump, but as dead fish. It's a grim picture for locals as fishermen, firefighters, city workers, and staff at the state agricultural ministry, with their mouths and noses covered for the stench, scoop up the fish and bury them in a concrete pit. Now, 3 smaller hauls of these dead fish had previously surfaced in May, June, and August, but this is by far the most extreme. Public blame for this lies in about 3 areas right now. One local mayor links it to the Institutional Revolutionary Party, saying it contaminated the lake in an attempt to discredit his environmental record. Another politician suggests the mass deaths were merely the result of natural biological cycles. State officials point to the ruling government's failure to properly treat the sewage and other waste entering the lake from towns and nearby industrial plants. The government has admitted to discovery of a fault in one wastewater treatment plant where animal remains, solvents, combustibles, and industrial chemicals are processed before being released into that very lake. But in a country with relatively lax environmental protections and little recourse for residents wronged by big industry, the people of these 6 villages surrounding the lake are hardest hit. So as politicians continue to argue, the people who run the fishing operations, the food stores, and restaurants are the ones to suffer. In Los Angeles, Lindsay France, RT.